all, in this video I want to share with you all that the items I purchased for India trip. Recently I went to India and I bought few of the items for my family members. So I already told that these frocks are beautiful from America and they are so comfortable. So I purchased few of the frocks, purchased them, and these are the frocks I took the video. Purchase this blood pressure monitoring machine from Amazon. This could be useful for the parents. And this is also one good throw you can purchase from Costco or Sam's. It's a very comfortable, but I do not have space, so I have not carried this one. I also purchased some of the handbags, different sizes. I have a family member of 10 years old girl, so I purchased this nail kit set. So this is one, and I also purchased a few perfumes from Victoria's Secret. And this is one toy I liked it, but I don't have the space, so I did not carry this item. And there are shoes from Costco, and this is the water bottles. These water bottles are vacuum insulated. We get a different variety of water bottles from Costco and Sam's Club, and there is a huge collection of chocolates I carried for all the members. Different types like Ferrero Rocher and Hershey's and Nuggets, all these varieties. And this is a set of Peach Bees slime kit, and also another slime kit from Amazon, and a few of the fossil watches. Along with it, I also purchased two iPhones from here, and this is some makeup kits and a few of the jackets and Bengay. This is like by from every of the family member. Also purchased a couple of multivitamin tablets from Costco and carried it over in my bag. Purchased one of the Lego set. This is one of the good gift idea for any kids. Purchased one of the makeup kits from Amazon. It has everything, all the brushes and all the mascara. So I purchased this one. I also purchased this law of attraction planner to give it to my brother. I like this planner a lot. We can write the 50 goals, and I like the inside the part of the suggestions that we can do to achieve all the goals. So I took this one to the India trip. Along with these gifts, I also carried my dresses and saris to India. It was so difficult to accommodate different kinds of chocolate packets for all the families. So these are all the items I was carrying it over. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in another video. Bye.